Well, hello, everybody. This is Goldfinger for the Goldfinger Minute. And today I have Jeanne Mae.
Jeanne Mae.
Jeanne Mae.
Jeanne Mae.
Jeanne Mae.
Yeah.
Which the nickname is
Jeanne.
The short. We're going to
Yeah.
call you Jeanne. I have problems with Jeanne Mae. Okay. Jeanne Mae, you're very cute, very pretty.
Thank you.
Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
And you also come from Negros Oriental, yes?
Yeah.
What city?
Santa Catalina.
Okay, and you're friends with the other person I recorded, which was Gina, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what age are you? What age are you?
19.
19.
Yeah.
19 years old. Okay. And that's very young. You're out of school though. You finished.
I'm working in Dumaguete.
Oh, you're working here?
Yeah.
Oh, you work. Do you live here?
Yeah.
Oh, so you live in Dumaguete.
Yeah.
You're just friends with Gina. Okay, got it. And so, and she had you come over here to be interviewed, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. And what are you working at?
Sales lady in Unitop downtown.
Oh, at Unitop.
Yeah.
That's the big new store, right? Has
Yeah.
underground parking.
No.
The one in the street.
The one. Yeah.
The older one that's still on the Perdices, I think
Yes,
it is. You're at that
Perdices
one, the one on the
Street.
Perdices.
Yeah.
I thought they were going to close that store. They're not going to close it.
I don't know, but I'm. I don't know.
Okay, well, it's still open though. Okay, I'll try to speak a little slower. I know you have a little trouble with English, but you're doing very good. Okay.
Okay.
I have a habit of talking fast, so I will try to speak slower. Okay. All right. So you have sisters and brothers,
Yes.
and Jean, how many?
One boy, one girl. Like, I'm so young.
You are the youngest.
Yes.
You just say, I am the youngest.
I am the youngest.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. And the oldest is the boy or the girl?
Boy.
How old?
Girl.
The girl is oldest.
My ate is,
Take your
my
time.
sister
It's okay.
is 23, my brother is 20, me is 19.
19.
Yeah.
Your brother's 19.
Me,
No, you're 19. Your brother
brother.
is?
20,
Your brother's 20, and your sister is 23.
23.
Okay, very good. And you still live with your mother and father?
Yeah.
Here in Dumaguete.
Here in, from, not living my mother here.
You're living with your mother here.
Santa Catalina, living my mother.
Okay. But you live here in
Yeah.
Dumaguete. Okay.
In boarding house.
In a boarding house. Okay.
Yeah.
So your mother's in Santa Catalina.
Catalina.
Okay. But you're living here in a boarding house with other single girls?
Yeah.
Okay. How many people are in the house?
Two. My sister and me.
So it's just you and your sister living
Yeah.
in a boarding house.
Yeah.
What is a boarding house? What's it like? Because I don't really know. Is it one bedroom or two bedroom?
Like this.
It's very small.
Small.
It has a bathroom that's shared or
Yeah.
single bathroom?
Sure.
Shared bathroom. And what do they charge for a boarding house?
What?
How much is the cost
2,500.
per month?
Yeah.
Oh, and that includes electricity?
Include electricity.
Everything.
Yeah.
And it has a fan,
Yeah.
but no aircon.
Yeah.
No, but it's tough. Okay, two people, 2,000. That's not too bad. And you work full time?
Yeah.
How many hours?
8 hours. If you work 8 out, you in 8 out, you 5 and
Start at 8 and finish at
5.
5 p.m. Okay. And how many days?
all days.
5 days?
All months.
Yeah. Every day you work?
Yeah.
7 days a week?
Yeah.
No day off?
1 day off.
1 day off. What day?
Friday.
Friday is day
No.
off. Okay. It's okay. We'll get through it. It's okay. You're doing fine. Okay. Now, and your sister, where does she work?
She,
Get a drink. Does she work also?
yeah.
Where?
And call center.
Okay. Which one makes more money? You or your sister? Who makes more? Do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know. How is it okay to ask you how much you make?
6,000.
6,000 pesos per month.
15 days.
6,000 twice a month. So
Twice a
12,000 12,000 for a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And 2,500 cost for living. Okay, so all right, very good. And you do sales, right? You're on the floor.
Yeah.
Do you do stocking also? Like you put things, organize, open boxes, or just sales? Which? Just sales?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, just sales. It's okay. Now, did you learn from your mother how to cook? Can you cook?
No.
Cannot cook. Okay. Well, at least you're honest. Okay, that's good you're honest. Be honest. And you're looking for possibly someone to help you
Yes.
in life.
Actually, my sister is help me cooking because
Okay. But you're looking for a foreigner.
yeah.
Yeah. Because why?
I don't know if I'm boyfriend and foreigner, but I don't know.
Okay, just explain what are you looking for? You're looking for a foreigner, right?
I'm looking for a foreigner because if you foreigner is if helping me for my work or for my study.
So you want to go back to school?
Yeah.
What do you want to go to school for?
And to
What subject?
I'm midwifery.
Advisory?
Midwifery.
Oh, midwifery. Okay,
Yeah.
midwifery. So you want to be a midwife, like medical. Maybe a nurse.
Yeah.
Like a nurse.
Assistant nursing.
Nursing. You want to learn nursing. So you'd like to go back to school, but somebody has to afford the food and the housing.
Financials.
Financial. You need financial help. I understand. And will you eventually become a nurse?
Soon.
How many years?
4 years.
So you need 4 years of college education to become a nurse.
Yeah.
Will you be going to America or staying in the Philippines?
I'm going to America.
America or somewhere else?
Somewhere.
Because there's more money or because you like to travel?
More body. I like a travel because, but I don't know, but I'm focused to my goal. So I don't know.
You're focused on your goal, and your goal is to become a nurse, right?
Then I'm travel.
And travel. Okay. And you want to find someone that will help you with your life. That's understandable. I understand. It's okay. And do you want a certain age or a certain age span? Does it matter? No.
No.
Does it matter what country he's from? What nationality?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, are you okay with Asian? Are you okay with
yes.
Are you okay with European, American, Canadian?
It's okay.
You don't care. You're it's okay. You're doing just fine. It's okay. But you're very young. Okay. Okay. So you're a little bit naive. Okay. So I'm just going to try to be really slow and careful with this so I get it clear. So you don't care as long as he can help you. Okay. What will you do when you get the money? Let's say you make good money. Let's say 5 years from now. And let's say American has been helping you, okay? And will you marry him? Will you be willing to marry him if you get along good? If everything works out, would you be willing to marry him?
Yeah.
Okay, not in the beginning, but in 4 or 5 years, right? Maybe. And if you're in America making money, what will you do with the money? Will you send money home?
Invest. Yeah.
You want to invest. What do you want to invest in?
Like
Property.
Let her finish. Go ahead.
property.
Property. Okay. You want to invest in property here in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Probably be a good idea, right? All right. So you need to take some financial courses too, maybe a little bit. You can take nursing, but just take a little bit of financial so you can learn about finance and how to invest. Okay, so that's fine. You have plans, future plans, and do you want to have children one day?
Someday.
Someday. How many?
3 or 2.
3 or 2. Okay, 2 or 3 children. Okay, that's fine. And so it's okay. The school you want to go to, is the school here in Dumaguete?
Yes.
Okay. You know, what's the name of the school? No, don't. You got to answer me.
Norso.
Merso. Okay. How do you spell that?
N-O.
Uh-huh.
N-U-R-S-E. Norso.
Nursing school. Nursing school. Okay, that's fine. It's all right. You're doing fine. We'll just go through it. It's okay. Take your time. Now, what if you find a guy and he's not nice to you? Are you going to break it up? Are you going to find another guy?
Find another guy.
You find another guy. Okay. That's a good idea. Okay? Because not all guys are good. You understand. Okay? Have you dated, I know you haven't dated foreigners, but have you dated Filipinos?
Yes.
You have dated Filipinos. And you want to try now a foreigner to help you with your future.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. I understand. That's good. That's good. You don't have any children now, right? No children.
No.
Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to think of anything else that they're going to ask me to ask you. Are you okay with responding? If you go on my channel, you have a phone, right?
Yes.
You have Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have YouTube. Okay. So if you go on YouTube, you could respond to people that ask. I'll let you respond, and you could talk to them.
Yeah.
Okay. You could ask your friends to help you. You could spell English, right? You could write or read English?
Yes.
Yes, you can read and write English. Okay. Do they teach English in the schools? Do they teach English in the schools? I think they do, yeah? They teach English in the schools here.
Yes.
Yeah, they do. All right. So you're young enough, you know English. All right, that's good enough. Okay, but you got to take it slow because you're only 19.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's you're very brave to come on to a studio and channel. I commend you for taking the time to make an effort to come here to talk to me, okay? Because it's very hard when you're 19 to put yourself out there. And I understand. I was young once, too. I'm not young anymore, but I was young, and I know it's very difficult, especially speak a different language. I assume you speak Visayan or Tagalog? Which language?
Tagalog.
You speak Tagalog, okay. Do you speak any Visayan? No Visayan, Tagalog. How did you learn Tagalog? From your mother and father?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they speak Tagalog. Okay. Am I saying it right? Is it Tagalog? Or is it a different pronunciation? How do you say it?
Tagalog.
Tagalog, okay. I knew it was a different pronunciation. So your parents speak Tagalog, okay, and so you learn Tagalog, okay, and so English is really a second language, okay. It's okay. You're doing fine. You're very, very sweet. You're very cute. Okay. Now you're also a little bit taller. What is your height?
5'7".
You're 5'7". Okay. Because a lot of Filipinas are very short. I noticed you were a little bit taller. And do you have a bank account now? No bank account. You're too young for bank account. You have a driver's license?
No.
You have a national ID card? You have a passport?
No.
How were you able to get a job? Don't they require any of that? They don't require that for a job here? No requirement.
SS, PhilHealth, like this.
You have a SS and you have PhilHealth.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have and so they pay into the BIR for you for later. It's a Social Security system. We call it Social Security. You call it BIR. They pay into the BIR here for you. Payments a little bit from your salary. They pay in for the future, for retirement, a little bit.
No.
No, they don't. Okay, so they're paying you cash?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. They're paying you cash. I get it now. All right. Okay. All right. We won't go there. How long have you been working for, I forgot the name of it. Where are you working again?
Sales lady.
What is it?
Sales lady.
As a sales lady.
Yeah.
How long have you been working at that job as a sales lady?
6 months.
6 months. Is that your first job?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a long ways to go. You're young. That's fine. It's okay. And do you want people to call you Jeanne, or do you want them to call you by your full name?
Jeanne.
Jeanne is fine. Okay. All right. I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't think there's anything else. Do you have any questions? Come on, think a little bit.
No.
You sure?
Didn't have. Yes.
Are you sure you're going to be okay meeting a foreigner? You're going to be too scared?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
You're okay with that? All right. Well, make sure you date first. Don't just move in. Date the guy first. Make sure you like him. Make sure you know him. Okay? What about long distance? Are you okay with long distance relationship?
It's okay.
It's okay too. All right. Jeanne, I appreciate you coming on the channel. We'll see if we can't find you somebody and to help you with your future plans, help you with schooling, and we'll go from there. And then maybe in a few months I'll have you come back, okay? And you can tell me how it's going, okay? Is that good?
Yeah.
Does that sound like a good plan?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Jeanne. You did fine.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching the Goldfinger Minute. We'll be back with Jeanne in a few months. We'll see how she's doing. Thanks, Jeanne.
Thanks.
Bye-bye, dear.
Bye-bye.